Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Derek, also known as the ATL Flipper, and today I'm going to show you how to clean and restore a pair of Nike Vapormax fly knits. As you can see, these shoes right here, guys, are extremely dirty. As you can see, they have dirt all in the threads and everything like that on the bottoms. I'm not going to ice the bottoms, but I'm going to just clean this material up here and clean the bottoms a little bit the best that I can. But I'm going to show you guys exactly what I use to clean these shoes. So all the materials that I'm going to use to clean these shoes right here, guys, is first a soft bristle brush. This brush I'm just going to use to get all the excess dirt off of the shoes that may be on the shoe still. And then I'm going to use soap, and I'm going to use water mixed together with a medium bristle brush, and I'm going to do a deep cleaning of the shoes to get all of the dirt and all the grime and stuff off of these shoes right here. And then after that, I'm going to use some Clorox, some bleach. If I need to get any stains that may be in the shoe still, I'm going to use that to get it out in the wash machine. And then after that, finally, I'm going to use some RIT Liquid Brightner. This Brightener basically is going to get these shoes bright and back white and with the little sparkles in them. I know you guys see that in the shoes, right? The little sparkle when you walk, you see it? So it's going to do that to this material right here. So let's go ahead, guys, and get into it. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to clean the right shoe, and I'm going to put the left shoe aside. The first thing we want to do is we want to take out the shoelaces. And then I'm going to let my shoelaces sit in the water. And the water is actually warm water. I'm going to take out my insoles, put those to the side. Now I'm using a soft bristle brush to go ahead and get any excess dirt that might be on the shoes. Alright, that looks good. Let's go ahead and get into the deep cleaning. And when you're cleaning these, you want to make sure you're going in a circular motion to make sure you're lifting and getting all of the dirt out of the shoes. Alright guys, now I'm about to just get all the water off of the shoes. Go ahead and dry the bottoms off. These actually look way better than they did before. You see, I got a lot of the dirt out of them on both sides. The bottoms look a lot better, but I still see a few stains in here, some dirt stains. So I'm gonna go ahead and bleach these in the wash machine. So let's go ahead, guys, and throw these in the wash machine. And since I'm bleaching them, I'm going to throw in a towel to help absorb all of the dirt that's on the shoes. Got my bleach in there. Now let's get it washed. You want to set it not on hot, but you want to set it on cold. Normal, high, and then start. Now that we have the shoes in the washer, we're going to go ahead and get the laces clean. Sometimes I like to throw the laces in the with the shoes, but today I'm going to show you guys how I hand wash laces. So let's go ahead, guys, and get these laces washed. If you like the content so far, go ahead and smash that like button. Hey guys, these just came out of the wash machine and these look amazing. Got all the stains out. The bottoms are in good condition. Looks really nice. Alright guys, now let's go ahead and pour some of our RIT Brightner inside of here, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to use our toothbrush and we're going to brush it over here. Now that the shoes are dry, all we have to do now is put in our laces. Alright guys, I got the laces in. Now check out the final product. Boom! Let's go! Got these super clean, guys. Got the bottoms looking nice and everything. Now I'm gonna show you guys what it looked like before and what it looks like after. Alright guys, that does it all for this restoration video. Thank you again for watching, and let me know in the comments if you like this type of video. If you want to see me do more restoration videos like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to see you all in the next one. Peace.